Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you one of the quickest workflows you can set up, but one of the most powerful. So just a quick disclaimer, what this workflow does is it will monitor visitors to your website or your landing page. And instead of them being anonymous visitors, it will actually reveal who it is. So their job title, their name, LinkedIn URL, what company they're from, and also like whether they were showing high intent on the landing page. Um, and from there, you can set up this workflow to automatically reach out to them on LinkedIn or find their email address and automatically email them. So it's super powerful because you can basically get that speed to lead to a very short time period. So you're contacting them on the same day that they looked into who you are. It's super quick to set up. You just come to RB2B, you can get a free trial. And when you sign up, they'll give you a simple bit of code. Literally just copy that code into the header section of your website code. And that's all you have to do to set it up. Super simple. Not going to show you that in this video. I'm just going to show you how to integrate it with Clay because not many people know how to use webhooks. So what you do is you'll just come to Clay. I'll show you with a new table. So you'll click new workbook and import but more sources, and then just type down webhook. And then from here, you should go to sources, and then you'll get this URL here. And all you have to do is take that, come into integrations down here, integrations, go to setup integration, and then just paste it in here. Turn the status on, save, and then just send a test event. And then you'll see this test event here, and you see it sent all of this information. And then you can literally just add the information that you want as columns. So you probably want website, probably want LinkedIn URL. You'll probably want first name, company name. But yeah, from here, you can add all the information you want. But what's so powerful because you can then make flows on this. So you could use AI and use a AI agent to basically go and research this person's LinkedIn profile, find some interesting things about them, or research the company, find some interesting things about them, and then make a personalized line. And then with that personalized line, you could then add this to a Hey Reach campaign. So you could add the lead to a Hey Reach campaign and use that personalized line and just say like, hi guys, would now be a relevant time to talk about our service. And obviously because they've just read about you on that same day, the chances of them replying are way higher. One little tip though is probably don't mention that you've seen that they were on your landing page, just because it's a little bit creepy. People don't like feeling like they've been watched on a landing page. So yeah, just probably don't do that, but anything else is completely fine. But yeah, I hope this quick video has helped you out. If you're interested in us building more complex workflows for your company, you can get unlimited workflows every month delivered in a maximum of 3 days. And we can also set up outbound campaigns for you. We work with a variety of B2B companies, and if you're interested, just click the link below and book a call with me, and we can see if we'd be a good fit. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching the video.